Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my flavored packed chicken salad recipe with you. This recipe is all chopping and mixing with no cooking involved. It's easy to make, time saving, and it's delicious. So let's dive right into it. For this recipe, you will need your cooked chicken. I'm using some cooked shredded chicken for this. I'll add a link to it in the description. I'll just transfer it to my board and roughly chop it into a few chunks. Feel free to use whatever you have available, be it shredded chicken or just cooked chicken breast. Once you're done chopping your chicken, transfer it into a bowl and set it aside. You will also need some celery. Mine has a few leafy greens. I'm cutting them off because I do not need them for this recipe. Go ahead to run your knife, cut them open, and then finally chop them. Celery stalk adds a great flavor to this salad recipe. Trust me, you will love it. After finally chopping your celery, transfer it into a bowl and set it aside. Next ingredient is our grapes. So you also to chop them into your preferred sizes. I don't like big chunks, so I'm going to make mine a bit smaller. Once you're done chopping, just transfer them into your clean bowl and set it aside. You also need some freshly chopped onion for this recipe. I'm using half medium size red onion. Feel free to use whatever you prefer. Your onion has to be finely chopped to enable it to incorporate perfectly with every other ingredient in this recipe. Once you're done chopping your onions, go ahead to transfer it into your clean bowl and set aside. You also need some nuts for this recipe. I'm using a handful of almond. I'm just going to roast it to enhance the crunchiness, and I'm toasting it on my pan just for a few seconds and it's ready. You can also use your air fryer for this. So I'm just going to go ahead to chop this into a few chunks. Yeah, just a few chunks. So once you're done chopping this, you can just go ahead to transfer it into a bowl and set it aside. The last on our chopping list today is some fresh parsley. Trust me, this is one ingredient in this recipe that you do not want to miss. It has this amazing flavor that it adds to this recipe. You can also use some fresh dill, but whichever one you have is fine. Transfer it into your clean bowl when you're done and set it aside. So here is the mixing bowl. I'll be going in with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, have a cup of yogurt. You can use any brand of yogurt, one of mustard, yellow mustard, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, some lemon juice, and then you go ahead to make this ready. That looks so good. What do you think? So here is my chicken. I'll be starting with my chicken. I'm just going to pour this into the bowl, followed by my grapes, my celery, my chopped onion, and my almond, a bit of my chopped parsley. I'm just going to stir this to combine. To enhance the sweetness, I'm using a teaspoon of date powder. I'll attach a link to it in the description. So I'm just going to sprinkle this and I'm good. I'll give this a final mix just so everything is well incorporated. Feel free to use any sweetener of your choice. If you're using honey, maple syrup, or date paste, is best added to the green mixture. So lovelies, our chicken salad is ready. It's a perfect meal prep, best served chilled, can last days in the refrigerator and weeks in the freezer. I'm just going to transfer it into an airtight container, chill for a few minutes before serving. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.